I got this light fixture to install it, check it out, and get my honest opinion. So let's go ahead, unbox it, and get this thing installed. So inside the box is the light itself. This is the back of the light, so I can show you that it does come with the wall mount here. You just take out these two little screws on the side, and then you mount this to the wall. And then also this little bag here is going to come with all the wire nuts and everything you need for that. And it comes with the little pamphlet to show you how to install it. I know how to do that already, so let's get to it. So I left one light in there so I can still have light in here, but we are replacing the standard, builder's grade type of light here. And it's backing with this light. So now I got to take all of that off, hook up the wires, and bolt it on. So this is the light fixture. We have this mounted in the bathroom. We decided to put some Edison style filament bulbs in there. Those are LED, so they're still very low consumption compared to incandescent. And I think it looks great. So very nice product, very sturdy. I really like it. Let's turn the light on. All right, so that's what the light fixture with the bulbs in it looks like lit up. Has a very nice look. I really like the way this looks. I definitely give this a thumbs up. I really hope the video was helpful. If you haven't done so already, if you'd subscribe to the channel, that really helps us out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. I'll take care.